be able to find the C on the piano. You can play it at home. How can you find the C? There's one C. What does it look like? How can you find another C? Take a look. Good. Now, how do we know about the C? You're right. The two black keys. Can you find all of these in the piano, please? Tell me how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you're counting 2 black keys. Now I would like to hear you play all the keys on the whole piano. Okay? Play them all. 1, let me hear them. 1. Where's another key? Play them all. 7, and believe it or not, that's also a C. It's missing 2 black keys, but they be right there. I'm going to see how fast you can play all of these on the piano. You ready? Set, and go!